Convex Qualcomm CV-Q900 and Q1000. Okay, to adjust your screen brightness, go to setting, display. Okay, now is brightness. When the daytime, okay, your headlight is turned off, you can adjust the brightness. Okay, when the nighttime, when you turn on the headlight, you can adjust your brightness, make it down. So will auto dim when you turn on your headlight. Okay, now is headlight is turned off. The left hand side, the icon is no light. That means the daytime headlight is turned off. Okay, when nighttime your headlight is turned on, you adjust again the brightness, less it. So that means the nighttime when you turn on the headlight, will auto dim adjust to the 69, and the left hand side got the light. Okay, if your nighttime driving, you feel it, the brightness is more. If you want to turn off the screen, but the music and the radio will keep on the screen on top, scroll it down. Okay, the screen off, the music will keep on and the radio will keep on. You touch anyway to turn it on. This is a brightness adjust for Qualcomm Convex Qualcomm CV-Q900 and Q1000. Thank you.